In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and log into Slack. Slack is a messaging platform many teams use for work and collaboration, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get into your workspace using a Google account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to expect on each screen, so you can get up and running without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to your Slack workspace link. This is usually a web address provided by your company or team. When the page loads, you'll see the Slack sign-in screen for that workspace. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct workspace by looking at the name or logo near the top of the page. If it looks right, you're in the right place to sign in. On this sign-in page, instead of typing in an email and password, look for the option to continue with Google. You'll usually see a button labeled something like Continue with Google or simply Google along with the Google logo. Click that button. Using Google here lets Slack connect to your existing Google account, so you don't have to remember a separate Slack password for this workspace. After you click the Google option, a new Google sign-in window or tab will appear. Here you'll see a list of Google accounts that are already signed in on your browser, or you might be asked to enter your Google email and password. Choose the Google account that's associated with your Slack workspace by clicking on it. If you don't see it, you may need to add it by selecting the option to use another account and signing in there. Once you've selected the right Google account, Google will show you a permissions screen asking you to confirm that you want to continue and let Slack access basic information from your account, like your name and email address. Review the details, then click the Continue button. This step is required so Slack can identify you and match you to your existing workspace membership or create your profile if it's your first time. After you confirm and continue, you'll be redirected back to Slack. On the next screen, Slack will usually offer two options: downloading the desktop app or using Slack in your browser. To keep things simple, choose the Use Slack in your browser option. Click that link, and Slack will open your workspace directly in the browser window. From here, you're logged in and ready to start using Slack. You can join channels, send messages, and customize your profile, all without installing anything extra.